This year, we see the Mana digital money turning into a top gainer many weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play to acquire pattern, which became well known in 2021 on the digital money market. How is the venture growing now, and what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? We should sort it out. Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 DTH, which was about $26 million around then. Be that as it may, the computer-generated experience stage was opened to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and connection. It resembles an internet game. Be that as it may, it centers around friendly and financial connections among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is partitioned into 90,000 packages called bundles. The underlying size of one package was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote. Just later, the size of each bundle was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each bundle is an ERC-721 token, land. We should discuss the tokens. There are two kinds of in-game digital currency, Mana and land. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC-721 token used to signify the option to claim a particular real estate parcel in the game. All in all, it's a proof of possession. Other than bundles, there are streets and courts in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but designers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The courts are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the streets and courts, the more costly it is. The region around Focal Square is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called regions. For instance, there are shops on Design Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region is possessed and overseen by a nearby local area. Sadly, the land in such regions is at this point not accessible for procurement. We should envision that you have land, fortunate. How might you discard your buy? Resell. As the game fills in notoriety, the cost of land rises. Thus, you become a contingent property manager who can profit from it. Lease out the land. You will actually want to get recurring, automated revenue from the obtained land. Place a promotion. You can assemble any items on their territory, and even spot notices. Thus, you can drape up a flag of your organization or open a display area. Open a NFT store. Extremely stylish, correct? Decentraland is NFT consistent with the ERC-721 norm. For instance, computerized specialists can open a display with NFT compositions. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be $0.76992. The most extreme level that the Mana cost can reach is $0.85991. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.79992. Mana value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of $0.73993 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.66993 and at $0.75992, separately. October 2022, Decentraland Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Mana cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.71993, while the most extreme could reach $0.78992 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around $0.74993. Mana value gauge for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal mana rate they anticipate may be around $0.77992 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.74993 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.81992. December 2022, Decentraland value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the mana cost will be exchanged at $0.79992 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to $0.85991. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.76992 in December 2022. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.13989. The greatest expected mana cost might be around $1.34987. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.16988 in 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.61984 and $1.9698, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.65983. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Decentraland and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base mana cost could drop to $2.34977, while its greatest can reach $2.78972. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.41976. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least mana costs are normal in 2026, $3.9596 and